Hey guys, this is our upgraded 2-in-1 ice bath and sauna pot. Okay, let me introduce our ice bath part firstly for you. And look, this is our 2 valves design. It can connect the water chiller more conveniently. Okay, let's check more details about our ice bath. Okay, let's open the cover firstly. Okay, let's check our poles. Our poles use the high quality 6-0 aluminum materials. Please check that. And let's our model show how durable it is. Look, wow, that is so durable. Okay, let's introduce the sauna pod part for you. Okay, let's check the accessories of the sauna pod. This is steamer machine that is 1,500 watt and 3 liters capacity. And this is steamer box. This one is our special design that is anti-scar cover. This is Velcro. This is thermograph. This is towel. Okay, let's check how to install the sauna pod. Okay, firstly, we can cover the Velcro firstly. Then we put the steamer box in our anti-scar cover. And also we can connect the steamer machine. Okay, finish the installation. Okay, let's cover the sauna pod. We take the cover to a sauna pod cover. So amazing. Okay, attach it on the body with the Velcro. Okay, let's put the thermometer inside for testing. Then put it in the special edge of our pot. Okay, let's enjoy sauna now. Let's check the temperature before starting. Okay, let's check the temperature.